Before we start, I want you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel! Jeff Bezos, the richest man living on the planet Earth. There's legit nothing on this earth that Jeff Bezos cannot afford. He is worth billions of dollars and spends millions on things he likes, such as private jets. Let's take a look inside Jeff Bezos' $150 million private jet. Number 4. There are two! You wouldn't expect the world's richest man to travel through commercial airlines, would you? Well, of course not. Jeff Bezos is so rich, he can buy hundreds of private jets if he wanted. Jeff Bezos likes to travel in style. Whether it's on land, water, or air, he has all the resources to make his travel amazing. Now, a busy person as Jeff Bezos has to travel to different places almost every day, which is why Jeff Bezos got himself one of the best private business jets available in the market. Yes, we are talking about the Gulfstream G650ER. He likes this jet so much that he has two of them. The original price of this jet is $70 million, but with all the customization Jeff Bezos wanted, the cost went up to $75 million, which is nothing for a billionaire like Jeff Bezos. So together, these two jets cost $150 million. Jeff Bezos uses both of these jets daily. Whether he has to go on a business tour or a personal vacation, these jets are his first choice. Number 3. The cabin. Gulfstream G650ER boasts a large cabin that caters to every passenger's needs. The aircraft cabin has a roomy interior with a length of 14.27 meters, a height of 1.91 meters, and a width of 2.49 meters. It can be custom built depending on the preferences of the passenger, which is the case with Jeff Bezos' jets. He had them customized according to what he likes. It is designed with 16 panoramic oval windows, has spacious seats that can be converted into beds, wide aisles, forward or aft galley and lavatories. It also includes television, audio and video devices, and a built-in wireless internet connection for entertainment purposes. This is the luxury Jeff Bezos always has to have. There is a Gulfstream Cabin Management System, GCMS, mobile application that lets Bezos control the cabin temperature, electronic devices, window shades, and lights. The ultimate cabin experience that G650ER features bring comfort and relaxation to Bezos and his team or family traveling with him. Number 2. Flight deck. One thing that Jeff Bezos loves the most about this jet is the flight deck. According to him, a jet must have an amazing flight deck because the pilot has to have all the things he needs. Well, he is right, because obviously while flying his life is dependent on the pilots. Hence, they must be comfortable and have all the things necessary for a safe flight. The flight deck of G650ER is supported by 3-axis fly-by-wire technology that creates an enjoyable flight. It provides features that help to increase fuel intake and decrease weight. The streamlined displays of the PlaneView 2 flight deck aid the pilot to reduce workload by observing aircraft position, nearby airways, airport information, weather information, surroundings, and flight conditions. The flight management system is associated with flight displays and cursor control devices that assist the pilot to command and control the aircraft. The critical data is presented in a user-friendly format that boosts situational awareness and promptness of response of the pilot. In short, the jet has everything a good pilot needs to have a safe and enjoyable flight. The aircraft also features a steep approach certification and enhanced flight vision system, which provides an image better than unaided human vision and displays it to the pilot. This means that the pilot is always aware of the situation and whatever's going on in the plane, which is what every aircraft should have. That's a reason why Jeff Bezos thinks that these aircrafts are the safest, right? Number 1. Performance and engines. What's the thing other than interior and design that makes an aircraft better and is the most important part to check before buying one? Well, of course, the engine. And Jeff Bezos has got the jets with the best engine and performance. The G650ER is powered by two Rolls-Royce BR725 A1-12 engines, which develop a maximum takeoff thrust of 75.20 kN. The BR725 A1-12 forms part of the BR700 engine family of Rolls-Royce. The BR725 engine offers a time between overhaul of up to 10,000 hours, resulting in reduced maintenance costs. The eco-friendly engine also delivers low emissions and noise levels, while its high performance allows for a maximum takeoff weight of 46,992 kg at higher speeds. The maximum passenger capacity of the D650ER is 19, while the aircraft can carry 18 passengers to a maximum distance of 11,853 kilometers at a maximum speed of 956 kilometers per hour. The long-range speed of the aircraft is 904 kilometers per hour. The maximum and initial altitudes of the aircraft is 51,000 feet and 41,000 feet respectively. The aircraft can reach the cruise altitude within 25 minutes after takeoff. The maximum landing weight of the aircraft is 37,875 kg. This means Jeff Bezos can travel anywhere in the world without a worry. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.